Dear students, today the topic of our lesson is the snare. This is the second part of the same lesson, the same poem, and we will discuss today questions, answers and the theme of the poem. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students must be able to answer the questions given in the exercise and to write the theme of the poem. Now I am reading the poem. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. But I cannot tell from where. He is calling out for aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face as he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I'm searching everywhere. Now questions and answers. Question A. What does the person hear? Answer. The person hears a sudden cry of pain. Question B. What kind of cry does the rabbit make? Use 3 words to describe the cry. The cry is sudden, painful and frightened. Question C. What does a wrinkling mean? What does it suggest? The answer to this question. A wrinkling means scrunching up, making lines appear on the face. It suggests that the rabbit was passing through a very troublesome time of pain. Question D. Which part of the rabbit is trapped? Answer. His paw is trapped in the snare. Question E. Which lines tell us that the rabbit is hurt as well as scared? Answer. The first line tells us that the rabbit is hurt as well as scared. Question F. Is the listener upset? Which words or phrases tell us this? Answer. Yes, the repetition of I cannot, the repeated lines such as but I cannot tell from where and I cannot find the place. Oh little one. These lines tell us that the listener is upset. Question G. Which lines in the poem are repeated? What effect does this have? Answer. But I cannot tell from where and I cannot find the place are the repeated lines. They convey that the poet is searching desperately. Exercise 2. Can you write out the rhyming scheme of the poem? Answer is AB, AB, BC, BC, CD, CD, DB, EB. The last stanza has an odd line. The theme of the poem. In this poem, the poet shows the helplessness of man in certain situations. The poet is unfortunate to save the troubled ones from their affliction. This poem deals with the pain and suffering which we have in this world. The incident which the poet tells us in the poem arouses a human sympathy for the poor and the needy. The other theme of the poem is the protection and freedom of wild animals. Dear students, this is the end of the lesson, and I hope that you would have learned all parts of the poem. Thank you very much. Goodbye.